Hey, good morning. So I have a fun math activity for you today. I want you to think of a number between 20 and 30. All right. So you got 10 possible numbers there you could think of between 20 and 30. I actually don't want you to choose 20 or choose 30. So let me change that. I want you to choose between the nine numbers. So it'd be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, or 29. Choose one of those numbers. Okay. And then I want you to create that number using objects, okay? So you're going to create that number using objects like we would do in school when I had the Unifix cubes. I actually brought some Unifix cubes home, okay? So I want you to create that number and show me how many tens and how many ones are in that number. So the number I was thinking of was 24. So the number I thought of was 24. So I'm using my Unifix cubes and I'm going to count out 24 Unifix cubes. Okay. So as I did that, I figured out that I had two sets of 10. All right. And then there would be four ones left over. All right. So here's 110. All right. That's 10. Add another 10 to that. There's going to be 20. See if I move this so you guys can see it better. All right, there's 20. And then I have my four ones, okay? And it might be hard for you to see without me sticking them together. Let's see. I'll just hold them up one at a time. So there's two ones, three, four ones, okay? So once I've created my number, then I'm gonna write it. Write it in your notebook, you can write it down. So I showed it like this. 24, there are two tens and four ones to create the number 24, okay? And then you can also draw it out. You can show me, like I had two 10 sticks and four little ones left over. Okay, and that's what it looks like, okay? So I challenge you to be creative with the objects that you use. You could use pennies. You could use, if you have a lot of cars, toy cars or something, you could use groups of cars. What you're doing is I want you to create the number and I want you to create groups of 10, okay? So I had the number 24, so I had two groups of 10 plus my four ones. And I had Unifix cubes, but I challenge you to use some really unique objects today, okay, to show me how you can make these numbers. I would love to see some of your work, guys, so feel free to share it with me. You can do, if you want to go to a larger number than between 20 to 30, one of those numbers we talked about, you may do that as well. Just and share it with me, okay? So challenge yourselves. Think about what's a unique object that you could use around your house to show me groups of tens and ones, okay? Have a great day, and I can't wait to see some of your work. Bye.